Hi, I'm George Hopper. I'm the service manager here at EMP Tech Group. Today I want to show you how to load media and ribbon in a Zebra ZT400 series printer. So open the media door. We'll now open the print head and pull the media guides to their outermost location. Take the media and put it on the supply spindle, feeding it between the media sensor and out the front of the printer. Now take the ribbon, put it on the ribbon supply spindle, push it all the way in with the leader of the ribbon hanging to the right. Feed it underneath the print head and up to the ribbon take-up spindle, and turn a few times. Now adjust both media guides to where they're snug but not tight against the media. Close the print head. Close the media cover. And press pause to ready the printer for printing. And that's all there is to it.